Good morning. You guys already know what time it is. 5:12. I got up at 5. Just got out the shower. About to start my day. Get some uploading. Do some uploading for merch. I already got 4 sales, so that was kind of cool. Yesterday was a pretty good day. But today is my son's birthday, so I'm gonna take you through the day and do a vlog for you guys. All right, let's get it. So I'm just checking my sales from yesterday. A lot of you guys had been recommending that I increase my prices, which I did. And I did 36 sales, 4 returns, and $60 in royalties with the average royalty of 1.67 sales a day. So thanks everybody for the tips. Hopefully these royalties can continue or even more. Okay, so I just got done finishing uploading. I was uploading for about an hour or so. It is 7:12. I think I did like almost 18 designs. A lot of times people ask me how I'm able to upload so many designs, and to be honest, it's really 9 designs, but I just designed for both white and black shirts. So that's how I'm able to get up so many designs. 170 for the day, and I have 7 sales. So now it is time to do a little meditation, make my bed, and then take my son to school. Okay, let's go. Yes. Come on, let's go. Come on, birthday boy. ¿Cuántos años tienes hoy?
8.
8, that's right. Alright, so I just got done dropping Max off at school, and now I'm off to the bakery to get his birthday cake, and then I'll bring it back to school. But I just want to show you what the mountains look like here in beautiful Puerto Vallarta on a nice sunny day. It never really gets old, the good weather down here. Alright, so here's the bakery right here. It's called Pablo, but if you're ever in Puerto Vallarta, this is probably one of the better bakeries that they have. Let's see if they got my cake ready. Ordered it like a week ago. Let's go in here and check it out. Hopefully there's no music playing. Here are some wall art ideas using AI for bakery shops. For Etsy, would be a good idea. Combine animals with cakes. You could probably use Midjourney. Just type in a prompt saying like cow mixed with a cake. I don't know what the competition would be on Etsy, but it could be a good idea. So here's the cake that we got for Max. You can see how nice it is. It is called confetti cake. Feliz cumpleaños is how you say happy birthday in Spanish. And Maddox and his friends at school loved it. So if you guys have been following me, you guys know that on January 1st, I made some changes to my life, especially regarding my habits. And these daily habits that I've been doing pretty much on a daily basis have really been help improving my life and just making me feel better overall, mentally and physically. So the first one that I've been doing is waking up early. I've woken up at 5 a.m. every day since January 1st. I'm just able to get way more done, be more productive, and just kind of feel better about myself because I feel like I'm getting a lot done. The second thing that I do, or habit, is go to the gym. 4, 5, 6 days a week. That's actually where I'm going right now. Just really helps with my confidence, and again, makes me feel good physically and mentally. The third thing that I've been doing is intermittent fasting. So almost every day I will intermittent fast. I basically will skip breakfast and skip dinner and only have about a 6-hour window where I'm eating. And then the next 2 is basically no sugar and no processed foods. Just overall just feel a lot better when I don't put that stuff in my body. I also started praying every day. Well, I've been doing that for a while, but pray before I go to bed. Also meditate in the morning before I take my son to school. Make my bed. Something just as small as that has really helped me as well. And also drinking lime water or lemon water first thing in the morning. So if you're looking for some daily habits to help improve your life, you can use some of mine, or comment below some daily habits that I could implement in my own life. Alright, so I just got back from the gym and I'm about to have my first meal of the day. I've been fasting for about 17 hours, so hungry and about to eat this. And this is pretty much what I eat every day, twice a day, at least during the week until I get to my cheat day. So it's half an avocado, 300 grams of steak with onions and a bell pepper. And then I have 4 eggs here. One of them got a little butchered. But I'm about to eat this right now to break my fast. And then here we're sitting at 18 sales for the day, and it is almost 1 o'clock. So we're gonna go ahead and eat this. Oh, actually I found a niche. I was watching the news, so I found a niche. I should have that video up maybe over the weekend. But gonna eat this and then go pick up Maddox. Okay, let's go. In this video, I want to share with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend on the news. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and Etsy. Hey Max, where are we going?
Eat pizza!
Ahora, mama got nice bread.
Agárralo bien y cuidado, se te cae.
You like your pizza?
Yep. Qué rico se ve.
And this right here was probably the best part of the dinner. Every time there's a birthday at this restaurant, they basically have the waiters, all the waiters come out and basically sing this song, and they give you this cake with this really cool candle. I had to turn off the volume because I didn't want to get a copyright strike, but you can see how happy my son is, and you can see how cool the candle is. I don't know if they do those in the States. I mean, I haven't been in the States for a long time, but these are very common here in Mexico. But you can see he was just loving it, and it was just a great little touch for the end of the dinner. And then you got the waiters. You'll see they're just banging the pots and pans. It's actually pretty loud, to be honest, but everybody in the restaurant seemed to really like it. Obviously we loved it as well. And you can see there goes the candle out, and here you'll be able to see the waiters. I think I got him, but you can see he's just chilling. Yeah, they're there banging away, banging away.
Sí, ahí está la foto.
Maddox, show Daddy your 2 toys for your birthday.
I got 2 toys.
You happy?
Yes.
Alright, so it's 10 p.m. and it's time to go to bed. I'm back home from the restaurant. Just do a quick sales update. So 30 sales for the day, only $26 in royalties, so not really that good in royalties. But it's not about the days, it's about the month, and the month is looking pretty good. So 1169. But yeah, I'm gonna get up and do it again tomorrow. Let's go. And if you've been following me on my channel, you know that I've been doing these habits, this habit tracker that I got. It's really been helping me out. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So wake up at 5 a.m. Yes, I did that. I did hit the gym. I did fast, but since it was Max's birthday, I did have some sugar, some cake, so can't cross that one off. And there was processed foods, but I did stay sober. Let's see, pray. I'm about to do that right now. Did I meditate this morning? I think I did. Yes, I did. And I also made my bed, and I had lemon water. So month is actually looking pretty good. But like I said, I'm gonna get a good night's sleep, and I'm gonna wake up and keep grinding to hit my goals. Let's go. All right, so that's gonna be the vlog for today. Kind of a shorter one. Didn't really have anything planned for the weekend, so I figured I would just show you Max's birthday and just a weekday life for me. But thanks so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I really appreciate all the support everyone has been showing on the channel. Channel is actually starting to grow, starting to see a lot of increase in views, subscribers, income, watch time, all that good stuff. So really appreciate you following me, and hope you like this vlog, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.